Hello everyone, I am underneath of this 2014 Nissan Versa. I already removed the brake pedal and accelerator pedal, and I'm going to talk about that screw right there. You see that? That screw is the only thing it hold it to stay, and there's a clip you have to when you remove that one screw, then rotate the whole thing counterclockwise. The blower motor right there, counterclockwise, and easily come off this way. You have to remove the harness and remove that blower motor resistor harness, which is this one. Sorry, it's still hard to record underneath. Then easy to come off. But before that, we need to talk about this string column, the joint. So you have to remove that to remove the brake pedal assembly. It's easy to remove the accelerator pedal, but the brake pedal assembly is the hard part. You have to play with it, make sure don't break anything to get access, because the string column in another way, you have to disconnect it. And let me get up. Look at this. I lock the string. We'll make sure before we remove that, you have to lock the string. I just leave this, and I got a string with lock. When we do alignment, we using this. So yeah, see that? That's brake pedal assembly. You have to remove the brake switch and the cruise control cancel switch, and you have to remove the tabs, which is the harness, everything. And that's my accelerator pedal, and this is the old blower motor. You have to remove the panel. Now this is how it looks. See, easy way. Remove the string wheel column. Make sure you have to put that lock. That's our guy. And just the kick panel, you have to remove it over here. That's it, easy. Yeah, don't forget to replace the resistor as well. I always suggest to replace both. It might fail later, or might cause another issue. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. And this is how it look like underneath. Yeah.